Hello, my besties. How are you? In today's video, I want to give you some creative gift ideas using flowers, liquor, chocolate, basic items like that, and make it look fabulous and still on the budget. Let me show you how. You can get some beautiful and expensive flowers at your local supermarket. This color is called Blessing. I think it's beautiful and neutral. For that container, I'm going to use the truffle bowl. And this one is from Amazing Savings, but then I saw one at a Dollar Tree as well. We are going to decorate it with the pearl wrap. They also sell diamond wrap at a Dollar Tree. We're gonna also need some wet foam, which you could get at Hobby Lobby or Walmart. Also, you might want to include a candle in your arrangement. Dollar Tree has a wide variety of candles. And optional, if you have a garden, it's always nice to add something a little extra to your arrangement. I started off by wrapping the bowl with the pearl wrap. And this is so easy, inexpensive way of transforming a cheap dish into something that looks much more, right? Next, I cut all the roses short, and I'm using the garden shears from the Dollar Tree. I think they're really good. I still need to adjust the size. They're a bit too tall. And as you can see, I'm cutting the stem at an angle. That way the rose could drink more water. Okay, this is good. I want the head to rest on the rim of the dish. So let me cut all of them at that height. Next, I decide to remove all the foliage. Drop the foam in a bowl of water, let it soak for a few minutes, and then cut it to size. If you want to add a candle, go ahead, push it in the foam right now before adding the flowers in. Next, before adding my roses, I decide to add the lantern rose. These are the little flowers from my garden. You had seen me use them before. And I always get a lot of questions. So you can find the plant at Lowe's, and it comes back every year. It blooms from winter through spring. It's just wonderful. Next, you add your roses all around, very easy. So I just had a dozen of roses, so I'm filling in any empty spaces with my green flowers. And then some cherry blossoms here and there just for some interest. You don't have to do that, it's just optional. Next, I'm using hot glue to secure the candle to the dish that it came with. My roses came with a baby breath, so I decided to cut it up and insert it here and there. Again, this is all personal preference. So this is how you can transform regular inexpensive grocery store flowers into something beautiful and original, a gift that anybody would love to receive, right? She is actually sick last couple days. She's been vomiting and diarrhea. And we went to the vet. She got her fluids shot and antibiotics. I hope she's gonna get better soon because I can't. I worry about her so much. Next gift idea is perfect for a man if you want to give him a bottle of liquor. This one caught my attention because of the beautiful design. It's actually called Gold Bar Whiskey, and you can find it at your local liquor store or at goldbarwhiskey.com. You can pair it with some chocolates, of course, with the golden wrappers, and create a beautiful gift basket. Let me show you. Since this is a flat bottle, I'm actually going to use a plastic tray as a base, and I'm going to line it with this golden runner, decorate with some golden stickers, and of course wrap it up in a basket bag. right, my tray is lined with gold, and now I transfer the bottle using paper towels. I don't want to leave any fingerprints. I wipe it down, and then I add a few drops of hot glue in the back, over there actually where there's a sticker. And I'm going to secure it to the tray. I can't help it, just handle it like a national treasure over here. Imagine if it was real gold. Next, I'm just playing around with the chocolates, see how I want to space them out. And I'm using a dab of hot glue in the back of each, low temperature, just to secure them to the tray. And then I intertwine these chocolates with the miniature dollar bill chocolates. I think it makes it look so cool and rich. And of course, this cannot be completed without the golden coins. Let's add a few here and there. Look how rich and amazing that looks, right? Who wouldn't want to get a gift like that? In the end, I decided to wrap it up with a cello wrap. It's easier than the gift bag. It's just flatter. Fold it underneath, tape it, tie it with a golden ribbon, and curl it up a little bit and attach a little gift tag if you like. You can write with a golden marker that you can find at a Dollar Tree. I'm going to give it to my friend for 40th birthday, so I'm just attaching a number 40 right there. And ta-da! We're ready to go! More idea I want to share with you. It was my mother's 70th birthday, and I got this beautiful trifle bowl from Marshall's. It was only $10, believe it or not. It looks like so much more. And then I asked my friend to make a vinyl sticker for me, which says, Dom jest tam, gdzie jest mama. Translates beautifully in every language. Home is where mom is. And I'm going to leave the artwork in my DIY Besties group on Facebook, so feel free to go to the patterns folder and download it from there for free, of course. And then I went to my local supermarket and I got 6 dozens of roses. Yes, one for every year. It was beautiful and overwhelming. I first filled the vase with the greenery and then used my ruler to cut the first level of roses to 12 inches long. This made it real easy, just aligning against the ruler. And I just crisscrossed the stems. The next level, I cut the stems about an inch longer. And then I just kept inserting them all around. And then the third level was another inch longer. And just added them all around. And at some point, I had to stand on my tippy toes to insert those roses. And as you can see, I achieved this huge, beautiful bouquet of 70 stems. And then I topped it off with some green branches, and I decided to hold back the baby's breath. I felt like it was taken away from all the beautiful colors. So this is how 70 roses looks like. I can only imagine how much I would have to pay for it at the florist shop, plus a special custom-made vase. Can you imagine? So this is just to show you that you can still afford a huge bouquet, make a big statement, and not spend a fortune. My mom is a flower lover, so she was overjoyed. And if you are too, please give me those little rose emojis. And with that, I'm gonna say thank you so much for watching, my besties. I hope I had inspired you a little bit to create your own gifts on the budget. And if I did, please give me a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and see you next time.